pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hi Gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi! I'm real glad you clicked on this video. I thought it was time we took a look at the Glam Bag X while it's being prepared and on its way to be shipped to us. So if you got the Glam Bag X and you made your choices because you were able to choose 3 items, how happy were you with your choices? I was kind of surprised to not see the brow bar items as a choice for me. The items that were chosen for me were the Patrick Top blush, the Pat McGrath Labs mascara, the Huda palette itself, and then Complex Culture facial massager, and the About Face Halsey line, which is, I believe, a liquid eyeshadow, but you could do more with that. Eyeliner, other things, whatever. I think when she put her line together, she was talking about art and painting, so I haven't tried her formulas yet, but I know that that's what I saw in my bag. And then I was able to choose 3 items, and I really wanted the brow bar, and it wasn't in there. But that was in add-ons. And then I thought, okay, so as we go through the add-ons here, you've got the Farsali, the some other things. You've also got the blush for $25. You've got, where is it? And then the brow bar, which is only $22, but they give you the brush with it, which has a value of $18. But I was shocked to see that it wasn't one of my choices. I'm guessing that I should have known better. However, it was in add-ons, although I could have sat there forever and racked up a lot of money on add-ons, which would not have been good. But with these add-ons here, I'm seeing some repeats. I did see the Violet Voss Pinky Promise palette that was in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus as an extra gift for re-signing up last month, and I loved it. And you all got the Olive You Forever. Well, most of you that I know of got it in Boxycharm, and then you were wondering what happened with the Pinky Promise that I got in Ipsy. It was available for $12 in add-ons on Ipsy. So hopefully most of you saw that wanted it and were able to pick that up. There was a lot of products in add-ons. I still can't believe they have scrunchies in there. I'm not understanding why there's so many subscription boxes that are including scrunchies in them. I have a few, yeah, because they're lightweight on the hair, but it's more of a 90s thing. I guess people are really bringing it back. The brow products were shown in the spoiler. You saw they're both waxes, apparently. One is a tinted and one is a clear. And then you saw the brush, and it said an MSRP of $40. I have shown you that they do retail on Sephora for $22 each, and the brush is separate at $18. So I am guessing a lot of you who've gotten a different variation probably will get one of those products, whether it's the clear and the brush or the tinted and a brush. And then you'll have the option to purchase other things in add-ons. Your add-ons will be different than what mine was. So, in concluding with this video, were you happy with your choices? What were your choices? Put them down in the comments below. I also noticed, because I've mentioned to you guys that the Glam Bag Plus, I opened a separate account so I could get all of the products and show them to you guys. I noticed I was able to get 2 foundations in my Glam Bag Plus. Now, if you want, I can show you guys the video on that as well, on what my choices were and what the Glam Bag Plus looks like, plus what the Glam Bag itself, the $12 bag, looks like. Now, there's one more thing I want to mention that was kind of interesting. I opened a separate account getting the Glam Bag at $12 and the Glam Bag Plus at $25 because the Glam Bag X told me it was going to replace the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. And guess what? I, for some odd reason, got the Glam Bag X and they charged me for that, and the Glam Bag for $12 and they charged me for that as well. Did that happen to you? Okay, so I want to take the time to say thank you for watching this video. I do want to know your thoughts about everything, your choices, and if you got charged for the Glam Bag as well as the Glam Bag X, because that, to me, they actually broke it down, and I can put my spoiler video in here saying what the charge would be, you know, if you got the Glam Bag by itself and you moved up to the X, and then it was like, what, $43 or something like that, and then it was $35 if you've gotten the Glam Bag Plus. And here I got charged $12.96 plus $55.96 for the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag X under the same account. Okay, guys, I will see you real soon in another video. Mwah! A bunch of love, stay safe, and I will talk to you soon.
Lost in the moment.